Hi everyone! I finally made my avatar. Welcome to Trending Thursdays, where I talk about trending topics every second and fourth Thursdays of the month. I've been seeing a new trend in my Facebook wall. People have been replacing their faces with avatars. Avatars has been around for some time now. In fact, the best-selling movie of all time is named Avatar. It's very trending today, but like as trends go, I predict these avatars can get pretty trendy and they will probably be replaced by something else after a while. So let's make one avatar for me before this trend disappears. I asked Google for an avatar maker and it gave me avatarmaker.com. Now let's make my avatar. I made a total of 2 avatars. Which avatar do you think looks more like me? Please put your answer in the comment section below. Now, since you're designing your own avatar, you can also make yourself look slimmer in your avatars just by choosing slimmer graphics. But if you want to look thinner in real life, you can try taking up my workshop, How to Lose Weight Without Exercise, using the Breathing Slim and Lean Integrative method. This workshop is the basis for the Amazon best-selling book, How to Lose Weight Without Exercise Using the Breathing Slim and Lean Integrative method. The links for the workshop and the book are placed below. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to click on like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell.